Alright, here we go. Came across some new bullets I found. These are made in Australia, down under, where the angry Dracolope clan resides. But no, these are 223. Found them. I'm probably going to save it because I'm going to get another bolt gun for 223 and use these in that instead. It was interesting because, I mean, one, it was hard to find, you know, actual hunting ammo in 223. And I came across these, and it's these bullets are designed. Check that out. Let me get it up closer. For the cold and the heat, to, you know, where you got minimal issues, which I thought was really kind of cool. So like I said, I mean, I got a few boxes of these. Yeah, so it's for Australian Outback, extreme performance, whatever the weather. Made in Australia, mate. And there you go. These are, I guess I should do this whole thing in like an Australian accent. These are ballistic tip, temperature independence BTI bullets. They, on your normal, without BTI, you can have a 7-inch high at 125 degrees Fahrenheit for you Yanks. That ain't really good day, mate, talking. But, and then at 11 low inches, whatever, I give up. But no, these are some really cool, they're 223 Remington, 55 grain. Sierra Blitzking bullets. So, like I said, I thought these were really neat. Adjusted for weather. So it's, you know, you're out hunting, you know, that cold bore shot and things like that, and 11 degrees and, you know, freezing and things like that. These should compensate for that. So, like I said, I'm going to be getting me a bolt gun again, and I'm going to run these through a bolt gun instead of running them through an AR or semi, because it's just bolt guns are more accurate. I mean, that's why. But there we go. Good day, mate. Thanks for watching.